Yeah, hello guys, hello. Yes, welcome to this video. Now in this video I want us to have a very important discussion, very important discussion about family and social media impact on family matters. That's what I want us to discuss. Now this is a video of a family on social media. On YouTube they are known as Odogwu and Aisha. You can search for their channel, Odogwu and Aisha, and I've been trying to follow this couple to actually understand what is happening. And it happens that they live their life on social media. That's how I want to put it. Yes, if you follow them, you will see that everything virtually. There was a time the lady put to bed, the husband tried to buy her something, she rejected. Everything is out there on social media, so before now I used to think it was acting. Yes, acted comedy. I used to think that they are acting it, but I'm beginning to understand that it's actually real life. So in this video that I want us to watch and comment on, discuss, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me give you a brief introduction of what actually happened. What actually happened is that here you can see that there are some ladies trying to will I say fight, though they have come to confront the wife of this Odogwu, known Chijoke is the name, known as Odogwu on social media. Why? Because there is an issue. If you follow them, there is let me just brief you what happened. Somebody brought a child, a grown-up girl, to Odogwu, saying that he is the father of this child, baby girl. And it happened that the person came while Odogwu was away. He wasn't at home. So it was the wife that received them, and they told her everything. They actually wanted to come and destroy this marriage. So they told her everything. But unfortunately, she believed them and also started reacting. And because they live their life on social media, she made video. She was making video, expressing her anger and disappointment on her husband. She actually believed the person that brought the baby girl. So when the husband came back, what happened? The husband decided to go for a paternity test. Yes, they went for a test, and lo and behold, he wasn't, or he is not the father of the girl. So you see, now the wife accused him on social media, believing the strange woman that came, was ranting, saying a lot of things, insulting him and all that. And this is social media. If you're on social media doing anything, you have relatives, right? You have relatives, you have brothers and sisters, and they are your people, and people are seeing you. Obviously, they'll be asking them, oh, your sister is doing this, your brother is doing this. So these are Odogwu's aunties. They have come to confront her about what is happening in their family and all that. So they are, if you understand Igbo, I will allow you to watch the video, okay, so you hear for yourself. And then at the end, please drop your opinion in the comment section. If you don't understand Igbo, what actually they are doing, what usually happens in a typical Nigerian, will I say Nigerian family, traditional family, where at a point, if you see that your brother and the wife, they are having maybe the stress or the pressure is too much, they usually come in, the women especially, to talk to that woman. Okay, so in this case, like you have in the tradition, in the Igbo tradition, they are insisting that this lady should leave their brother before he kills him. All right, that the stress is too much, that she was insulting them on social media and all that. If you understand Igbo, that will be better for you. You hear everything. But if you don't understand Igbo, now I want you to drop your opinion. I've just given you a breakdown or a summary of what happened. Now, what do you think about people living their life on social media? Some people call it lifestyle vlog, where they see everything, virtually everything that happened. But this couple, honestly, if you see the way they bring out themselves on social media, you will wonder. Sometimes I used to think they are acting it, that it's not real. But I later discovered that it is real. So when these women came, they wanted to sort it out as family matter. But the women insisted that you must put it on social media. The way you have been putting everything on social media, you must put everything on social media again, because the way you insulted our brother, everything must go. And now again, you see the husband and wife, they have reconciled. That's another point. They have reconciled now, and but the family, they haven't reconciled. They are not. They don't agree. that peace should reign. The husband and the wife that have issues, they have reconciled already. You can see that the wife is begging the husband to, beg her aunties, her people, and they're saying, no, don't talk to us and all that. So what do you have to say about it? When you are having issues with your husband, everything is on social media, you bring it out on social media. Now husband and wife, they have reconciled, but the family members that are involved, they are not actually. It will be very difficult for you to bring them back to the level of the husband, because husband and wife, when they have issues, obviously they are going to reconcile in the bedroom and say sorry, and it's easy for them to forgive and move on. But the family members that you involved while you were having that matter, how will you go about to make their mind also have that kind of forgiveness and moving on? And not to talk of social media. Like, social media is whether you invite me or you don't invite me, I will know about the matter, because you can't stop anybody from watching anything except you put it on listed and then send link. Even if you send link, people continue to share it. So you see that you have given the whole world access to what is happening in your life. How are they going to go about this thing? So my dear people, so that I want to allow you now to watch some clip. You can also go to their channel and watch everything. Okay, now let's hear them.
Ndị ọzọ ma ndị na-ebe ali a n'akụkụ ọrafụfa wee decide ya ka ọ nụọ gị si na this man ịpụta na social media ịkọ nka ipostuo ịpụta ịkọ nka ipostu. Hospital where I want dog mayon Ijeoma eji maka grab ife na-eme na hospital kita wee gbalụ wee bịa ebe a maka my aunties na nwanne anyị bịa. Alụ ka ọ bụ na Chijioke na oge Ijeoma. Since Chijioke na ụta gị kwara ka ọnwụọ mmiri tọgbụ iko. Ọ fụsịrị ụmụ nwaanyị ndị ọzọ ma ndị na-ebegharị ya n'akụkụ ọrapụfa wee decide ya ka ọ nụọ gị since kwara na this man. Ịpụta na social media ịkọ nke akọ nke ipostuo ịpụta ịkọ nke akọ nke ipostuo mmadụ a na-akpọkasị m na phone na-edistọbụ m si m gịnị na-eme anyị wee sị na anyị ga-abịa taa na ịpụ nke ịpụ anyị ga-abịa taa. Ijeoma ọ bụrụgodị na asị na Chijioke mụrụ nwa n'ilo Ijeoma alụ ka ọ bụ ọ bụgodị na asị na-eziokwu alụ a na-ajụ gị ajụjụ alụ ka ọ bụ denụ ọ bụ ekpọlụ nwa wee bịa ikwuru dịka di gị nata ikwuru ịnọgolu n'iru ndị afọ na-agbakasị ọnụ na-agbakasị onwe gị na gịnị mee ichedi ka ịnụ from your husband ọ bụgodị na-eziokwu gịdị a na-abụkosiri itim together iwe rapụta gị ọnụ ga na-agbakasị. Ijeoma ọsọ gị gụbara akwụkwọ Ijeoma ọsọ gị gụbara akwụkwọ iwe na-esi anya wee sị na ịbụ property stripping people. Ijeoma otu ndị kịta dị ka agụ a na-agụ m. Ijeoma asị bụ otu ndị kịta dị ka agụ a na-agụ m. Somebody my auntie agụ a na-agụ from sị na ịbụ property stripping people. Na ndị a bụ queen which type of queen ka ịbụ n'ebe gị iwe nwee obi bụrụ property gị wee ị ga-anapụ ya ka anyị zuolu gị asị m na ị ga-ana ebe a ka anyị zuolu gị ị ga-agụga anyị
Oh, baby.
Baby.
Hey.
Why a baby?
Oh, baby.
I'm not Chijioke.
Biko kọrọ ozi anyị. Anyị osi ji adịrọ.
Unu gụbara akwụkwọ. Iwe bụ na ndị ọgba echiche okefe anọrọ ebe a. Iwe bụ na ankụli ya nọrọ ebe a were na ebe a. We expected you as his family. Yes. Now when they see that DNA test, yes, people that your husband public apology. Yes. Yes. Instead, he even took pride in it. Yes. Now because you're on social media. If you're not the same way on social media, you must apologize the same way. You must apologize, John. You must apologize. Maybe a problem on social media. That's the same way that is maybe a marriage. And we are watching you. We are watching everything. In the 20 years. You can't submit. You can't submit. She can't submit. You will be able to go one night, maybe a book and a Ghana. Johnny Ghana, if you know how did you can know? Why am I looking at this for me? See, you have your husband, man, go away, different. You will not say, when I'm a man, 25 million. If I ever be making a can, I'm going to go to my gas for Gazo. Maggie again, sit, take it down. I see to necessity a city on my down. What's it say? Zogas, when you get expect to I got the back. I want to say back in respect your man like okay. Because when you can see the food, no material.
I didn't surprise. So, give one now vacation. Uncle Fuya boy and also. Ijoma, you're a disgrace to womanhood. Yes. I put it to you.
She's a graduate.
So that's how it is. They continue to give her all kinds of name, insulting her, telling her all kinds of things, that she is not a wife material. So my people, I want you people to, if you understand Igbo, I know you have a lot to say. But if you don't understand Igbo, like I have already explained, you know, when you are the one that opened this Africa, we live a communal life. If you have issues with your husband and you open it up to the entire extended family, not to talk of the family, the social media and the whole world, you have invited the ant-infested maggot into your home and you shouldn't complain. Now, a lot of things they are telling her here, doing to her. She wanted to sit on the chair. They asked her to sit on the floor, that she doesn't deserve to sit on the chair. They are calling her all kinds of names, that she is this, she has been eating their husband's money without, their brother's money without seeing it on her body. They refer to her family that they don't have anything. They are, don't get me wrong, you know, they came to talk to her, and of course they are doing it, will I say too much? Will I say it is over? Are they stepping their boundary? Is this how families members should call their wife to order? Now again, I want us to also link it to Yul Edochie's family. When things were happening, okay, did they call them to order? Did they try to call Yul to order? Did they try to call Judy Austin to order, until things got out of hand and they had to they lost their first child, which is Kambili, before Yul Edochie came back to his senses? These people are accusing the girl of putting their brother in the bottle, like he has what he has juju. He's being controlled by Kayamata, as we say, as we call it. Do you guys agree? And he's insisting that he is not under any spell, he's not under any charm, that he knows what he's doing. Okay, so I want you to leave your comments, your opinion in the comment section. Are they doing this? Are they overstepping on their boundaries, or are they doing it the right thing? Is it how the girl should be called to order? The girl actually, she didn't get it right at all. She did not get it right. You know, even if you don't want to believe your husband, even if you did not, but you're coming out on social media to react immediately, like before the man even got home, his name is all over everywhere. What are you thinking about that marriage? That you will still be in that marriage? So my dear people, I want you to leave your comment in the comment section. I'll see you again in my next video. Dalorine. Kemesia.